Creating live edge epoxy tables that seamlessly blend the warmth of natural wood with the sleek appeal of metal legs is an artistic journey that bridges rustic charm with modern elegance. For DIY enthusiasts, this project unlocks a world of creativity, offering the opportunity to craft bespoke furniture pieces that highlight the organic beauty of wood while adding a touch of industrial sophistication. Achieving this perfect balance requires a combination of thoughtful design choices, careful material selection, and meticulous attention to detail. Here's how you can craft live edge epoxy table with metal legs that complement a variety of home decor styles. The foundation of any live edge epoxy table lies in the wood slab. This central element provides the character and warmth that define the piece. Selecting the right slab involves more than just choosing a beautiful piece of wood. It's about finding one that tells a story. Look for slabs with pronounced grains, knots, or imperfections. These natural details add personality and enhance the rustic charm. Popular wood species like black walnut, oak, maple, and cherry offer durability and striking grain patterns that are ideal for this project. Ensuring the wood is properly prepped is essential. Cold-dry slabs are your best bet as they reduce the risk of warping or cracking. Inspect the wood thoroughly for signs of decay or pests, which could compromise the integrity of your table. When working with live edge slabs, preserving their natural contours is key to emphasizing their organic beauty. The irregular edges create visual interest, setting your table apart from mass-produced furniture. But if your chosen slab has cracks or voids, embrace them. These imperfections can be transformed into stunning features by filling them with epoxy resin. A skillfully filled void can highlight the natural quirks of the wood, turning flaws into design elements. Epoxy resin is the perfect partner to live edge wood, offering endless design possibilities. Whether you are filling cracks, creating a mesmerizing river effect, or embedding the creative element, epoxy allows you to elevate your table to a functional work of art. Here are some tips for achieving a professional quality finish. Opt for high quality clear casting epoxy specifically designed for woodworking. Ensure the product has UV resistance to prevent yellowing over time. This guarantees that your table maintains its pristine appearance for years. Epoxy isn't limited to being clear. It's an opportunity to inject color and creativity into your piece. Try pigments, metallic powders, or dyes to create captivating effects. For example, deep blues and aquas can mimic flowing water in a river table, while metallic gold or silver adds a touch of opulence. If you are aiming for a river table design, use dividers or molds to control the epoxy flow. This ensures clean, well-defined edges that make the design pop. Nothing disrupts a sleek epoxy surface like trapped air bubbles. Use a heat gun or torch while the resin cures to release bubbles, resulting in a flawless glass-like finish. To ensure a seamless bond between the epoxy and the wood, sand the edges of the slab where they meet the resin. This enhances adhesion and results in a cohesive polished look. Metal legs do more than support the table. They serve as a design statement that complements the natural beauty of the wood and the sleek finish of the epoxy. The style of leg choose will greatly influence the overall aesthetic. Consider these options. Steel hairpin legs. These legs add a retro modern touch that contrasts beautifully with the organic lines of live edge wood. Geometric bases such as X-shaped or tristle style bases in heavy-duty steel provide bold industrial appeal. Legs with powder-coated finishes in black, white, or metallic tones can tie into your overall design scheme. For a truly unique look, consider custom fabricated legs that incorporate curves, patterns, or artistic detailing. Durability is just as important as aesthetics. Ensure the legs are steady enough to support the weight of the wood and epoxy. For larger tables, thicker steel or reinforced designs offer added stability and peace of mind. The magic of a live edge epoxy table lies in its ability to blend diverse elements into a cohesive masterpiece. Achieving harmony requires an intentional approach. Coordinate the epoxy color with the metal legs finish. Clear or blue epoxy complement black or silver legs, while warm wood tones pair beautifully with gold or bronze accents. Consider the scale of each component. A thick, substantial wood slab pairs best with slim, understated legs, while slender slabs benefit from chunkier bases for balance. Embrace the visual interplay between the organic flowing edges of the wood and the structured angular shapes of the metal legs. Apply consistent finishes such as a satin or glossy top coat to tie the elements together seamlessly. The beauty of a live edge epoxy table is its versatility. With thoughtful customization, it can complement any interior design style. For rustic farmhouse, highlight the natural beauty of the wood with a lightly finished slab and pair it with black steel legs for a warm, inviting look. For modern minimalism, use clear epoxy with a light wood species like maple or ash. Minimalist legs with a clean lines in matte black or white complement the look. For industrial chic, combine dark woods like walnut with metallic epoxy accents and geometric steel bases for a rugged yet stylish aesthetic. For coastal vibes, mimic ocean waves with blue or turquoise epoxy and lighter woods like pine. White or brushed nickel legs enhance the breezy seaside feel. Beyond aesthetics, your table must stand up to everyday use. Protect its longevity with these tips. Apply heat-resistant top coat to safeguard the surface from spills, scratches, and heat damage. Reinforce the structure by using high-quality hardware, and for larger tables, consider adding braces for additional support. Seal the wood with multiple coats of finish to protect the wood from moisture while enhancing its natural beauty. If this is your first live edge epoxy project, start small. A side table or coffee table offers an approachable introduction to the process. Here's how to set yourself up for success. Invest in tools such as a planer for leveling the slab, clamp for securing the epoxy molds, and a sander for smooth finishes. Construct an epoxy mold from melamine or HDPE to prevent leaks and maintain clean edges. Seal the joint with silicone for added security. Plan thoroughly by sketching your design beforehand to avoid mistakes and ensure every element works cohesively. Once complete, your live edge epoxy table becomes a centerpiece that commands attention. Here are ways to showcase it. For dining room, pair with stylish chairs and overhead lighting for a striking dining experience. For living room, use as a coffee or side table styled with books, vases, or candles. For office, transform it into a desk for a workspace that is both functional and inspiring. A live edge epoxy table is a statement of artistry and craftsmanship. By thoughtfully combining the natural warmth of wood, the sleek layer of epoxy, and the industrial edge of metal, you will create a timeless piece that enhances any space. Let your creativity lead and enjoy the satisfaction of bringing your vision to life. Thank you for being part of our creative journey. If this video lighted a spark or inspired your project, don't let the idea stop here. Hit like, share it with fellow creators, and subscribe to join a community that thrives on innovation. Tap the notification bell and make sure you are always ahead of the curve with our latest inspiration. See you in the next video.